Hello traders, welcome to the new video. This is officially day 5 of the 50k challenge for 50 trading days. So in this today's session I had made an entry in the like multiple options. Maybe like if you see I made in the 5th October, the next week expiry. I had made entry in the 19,550, 19,600, and 19,650 as well. And the capital that I used were like less than 50,000. All the quantities that were used, were all for within the 50,000 limit. So the in early morning, what I did is like, if I go to the order history over here, I made an entry early morning with 19,600 again with a few lots at multiple strike. Again, I had bought over here 19,500 p also overall. So if you see the capital that I used for this trade were overall lesser than 50,000, and the profit that I made for these trades for the 19,600 were like 4,175 and 3,200 around, like. And even for this put also I made around 2,500. All this trade were like in a quick succession, not much of an long term, I didn't hold it for longer time. So in the Nifty, as today we had a tremendous moment on the upper side and the downside. If you see over here in the Nifty chart on 5 minute time frame, we'll see the volatility that had created early morning. We had seen a slight gap up, and then almost it took the support near the yesterday's closing price, and then from there it bounced. Almost it took a like a formed a flag pole and a flag pattern type in the on a 5 minute time frame. We saw great momentum from almost like 19,600 till 19,650, and even there again it went on consolidation over there. And even I had made an entry at this point wherein, like, if you see, I even have the I have sold the call option of 19,600 at the higher prices over here somewhere after the break of this, the pattern that had formed over here on a 5 minute time frame basis. Like, there was a consolidation above 700, and it ranged from 720 to 700. Almost it spent around like half an hour to 40 minutes over there. If you see, even in the at the last moment, if I will show you the order history over here wherein I had bought 19,000. If I show you the 19,650 put, wherein I had made an entry over here, but my SL got triggered over here for this. Like, I will show you. In fact, I had held this trade for a longer time. If you over here, let me show you. Okay, see over here, I had bought 19,650 at the time of 11:45. Almost like at the midday, wherein I had bought it at 66 rupees, and then again I bought it at like 140, exactly at 140. Over here I had bought one lot. So the overall lot which I had around 150, like three lots. And over here, if you see, I had a trailing stop loss, which was actually the average was around like 64 or something, and then I had to place 62 rupees. But after after holding it for so long, around like 3 hours, almost like 3.5 hours, my SL got triggered. And after once the SL got triggered, the momentum came in the Nifty. Over here, if you see, the SL got triggered at 256. When we come over here in the Nifty, at 256, if you see exactly, not 256, it is, yeah, 256. If you see, around like 3 o'clock, we saw a sharp fall in this around 37 points, and then the it almost went to 19,618, wherein the premium had gone almost to, for the same. If you see here, I'll open the chart for this one. So exactly at 310, the price went to 98 rupees. So, but I had held it, and then I thought of like trailing the SL, and it got triggered. However, I would have made around, like, I would have held it till 90. I would have gained around 30 odd rupees with this. It would have been like 4,500 for this trade. But it's okay. With the trailing stop loss was very strict. In fact, I didn't wanted to hold it. Actually, I wanted to hold it overnight, but as Monday being a holiday, so because of the premium decay, I didn't wanted to continue with that trade. I had to close with this, whatever the loss was there. Overall, if you see, I had made three good trades with around 4,000, 3,000, and 2,500. Overall, if you see, almost like I made around 9,000 overall profit on the capital that I invested in multiples of trade today. It was not a single trade over here today, but in a three trades, where as the Nifty was having a lot of momentum in the high on the upside, and even on the downside over here. So that's it for the day 5 over here. In this, the capital used was lesser than 50,000. I was able to make around 9k in multiple trades. So see you in the next video for the 50k challenge. Till then, thank you for watching and bye.